Sup guys, this is the Polyglot programmer, and I'm here to do one other problem. This problem has different names on different places, like on the platform Algo Expert. It's called power sets. This and here it's called subsets, but it's basically the same thing. Let's go. Basically, given a list of distinct set of distinct integers, nums, return all possible subsets. So basically, you want a power set. A power set is the all possible subsets of a list, and a set is a list of non-repeating items. So it's kind of redundant. This thing, it doesn't need to say these things. If you said given a set of integers, it's already an implicit. But all right. So there are a number of ways to do this. Some people prefer the recursive solutions. To be completely honest, I don't. I think the iterative solution is way better and simpler and easier to code also, to be honest. And the way the iterative solution is that you gotta imagine, like for example, if you have an empty array, all be the power set of this would be this, right? If you have an array of 1, what would be the power set of this? Would be an empty and this. And if you had a list of 2, what would be the power set of this? It would be this, then would be this, then would be this. So do you see what I'm doing here? So like for the this one is more visible. So we can start our subset that we're going to return with an empty list, and then for each item in our original list, we just iterate over whatever was in our subset list and append the current item to it, and then append that to the current list, and then we keep doing that until we reach the end. And that works. So if we want to code this, you will see that it is super easy. So like subsets, here we define. Okay. Define this here, and then for num and nums, right? We iterate over for I in range and length of subsets. Right. So here we're iterating over all the subsets for each number that we have in our list, and in here it's easy. So we just basically create a copy of whatever is there. So subset, current subset is subsets. I'll just get the one that is the current item index, sorry, and then we added subsets append current subset plus the current number, and that's it. And we return subsets. If I didn't make any mistakes, this is it. So this is what they were expecting. Same order. Nice. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Less than 100% of the online submissions. Okay, faster than 87%. So this is pretty good. In terms of complex time complexity, This will be O of 2 to the power of n. Yeah, times n. And for space, it's the same thing. Yeah, because for every item we for every item we need to iterate over every other item and to create all the possible subsets. So you can see that for 3 here it's easy to see we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? So it's more than double. So yeah, so that's it. See you next time. Hit the subscribe button.